eons, the legend of the secret menu has been passed down from generation to generation, and today I tell the story of the Meat Mountain. So yeah, a lot of fast food places have what's called a secret menu, where they have these items that they'll make for you, but they aren't on the menu. And Arby's has the Meat Mountain, which is just this monster of meat, cheese, bread, sauce. And me personally, I don't know if I have what it takes. But for you, the people, I'll try it. All right, I've been in the drive-through line for about 10 minutes. Why are this many people eating at Arby's at noon on a Tuesday? Shouldn't you guys be at work? We aren't all freelancers. You guys should be in offices or something. Folks, I'm gonna be here for a while. Hi, I would like the Meat Mountain, if possible.
You want that as a meal or just a sandwich?
I'll do the full meal, please.
$16.59, that's all that, thank you.
I appreciate you. And just like that, I feel my arteries clogging as we speak. Put your mask on, because you know what I always say, safe eating is fun eating. You know what I mean? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We have secured the bag. All right, folks, we have acquired the bag. I am rolling up my sleeves because who knows what we're about to get into. Do you see this heft? Wow, it's real. Let's bring you in for this. I think it's pretty accurate to the pictures. You got chicken tenders, turkey, ham, roast beef, bacon, pastrami. Folks, without further ado, let's get stuck into this bad boy. My jaw is not big enough. You need to be like an anaconda. You need to be able to dislocate your jaw to even try this. I'm gonna try to get a bite with everything in it. Look at that bite cross-section. Look at that. It's better than I thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be way too much going on, but surprisingly, the meats and two cheeses, there's two cheeses on here, American and Swiss apparently, but they really complement each other. It's a lot for a single bite, quantity-wise, mass-wise, but taste-wise, it's not bad. Okay, here comes bite two. This time I'm actually stretched properly. Woo! It's a workout chewing that thing. I'm almost full. Already, I'm right on the cusp of full with 2 bites of this sandwich. Folks, let this be a once-a-year type of meal for you, because I can only imagine how many calories this is. Let's put a little graphic right here for the calorie count, because I got a full meal. I got fries, a milkshake. I'm not going to be able to finish the sandwich, let alone the accompaniments, if you will. My jaw hurts. My jaw hurts. I feel like my esophagus is stretched out. I feel like I need an ENT doctor. Otolaryngology. Otolaryngology. But again, it's a good sandwich, a lot of food. Let this not be an everyday thing for you, but it's definitely fun for the novelty. It doesn't taste bad, and you can tell your friends that you survived. All right, folks, that's about it from me. I hope you enjoyed this little change of pace, getting out of the kitchen. And as always, folks, I've been me, you've been you, and I will see you soon. This lady in front of me is ordering everything off the menu. She's like, yeah, let me get 1 roast beef sandwich, 1 fried chicken sandwich. Let me get your codfish sandwich. Let me get a strawberry shake, your fries, your onion rings. The cashier says, oh, we don't have onion rings here, ma'am. She's like, can you take your onions you put on your sandwiches and fry them up for me? They have kind of a morbid sign on the window here. It says so many meats, so little time, and then it has a picture of a fish standing on a chicken, standing on a turkey, standing on a pig, standing on a cow, advertising their demise. You know what I mean? It's weird. I'm gonna eat them anyway. I don't care. I'm gonna eat them anyway.